Welcome to news updates from Ho Technical University. I'm Bridget Senam Adiche. As the clock ticks towards the 7th Vice-Chancellor's Distinguished Lecture Series at Ho Technical University, discussions surrounding artificial intelligence continue to dominate conversations among academia, industry players, and the wider public. Speaking ahead of the event, a senior lecturer and the coordinator of the Center for Entrepreneurship, Innovation, and Technology Transfer at Ho Technical University, Dr. Harrison Adjimah, stressed on the importance of engaging in conversations on emerging technologies. According to him, such discussions are essential in harnessing innovation to address societal challenges, improve productivity, and ultimately enhance the living conditions of people.
Such lecture series are very important for us because it provides platform for us to chat out emerging technologies and discuss how we can leverage and utilize it to improve life and living conditions.
This year's lecture series will focus on the theme, Business Practice Education and Research in the Era of AI, Implications for Technical Universities in Ghana. The event will feature Professor Ron Tuninga, Rector of Wittenberg University of Applied Sciences in the Netherlands, as the guest lecturer, while the Vice-Chancellor of Ho Technical University, Professor Ben Honyenuga, will host the program. The lecture is scheduled for Wednesday, June 17, 2026 at the Adjimah Auditorium and is expected to bring together academics, researchers, students, policymakers, and industry stakeholders to explore the opportunities and challenges of AI in higher education and national development. This has been news updates from Ho Technical University, the hub of technological and practical education in Africa. I'm Bridget Senam Adiche.